Okay, welcome back. Now we'll solve one problem using polar coordinate system. Okay, so problem is given, the coordinates are given like this: 0, 5, 0, 5, 1, 4, 3, comma 2, 3, comma 3, and 5, comma 0. And what is the problem? We have to apply Hough transform using polar coordinate system. Okay, so 5 points are given. Solution: you can plot this point if you want in xy plane just to show. Okay, you can plot this. I will not plot now here, but you can plot. Okay, so this is your step 1. In step 2, you know what is rho? Rho is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Okay, so for each point here, okay, here you have to write this equation. So for example, for point 0 comma 5, rho will be equal to 0 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. Okay, now what we have to do is, you can vary this theta. Theta can be varied from minus 90 degrees to plus 90 degrees to get values for or values of rho. Okay, so change the value of theta equal to, suppose, minus 90. What will be the value of rho? That you have to write corresponding values. Similarly, for maybe for minus 45 degrees, then you can have 0 degrees, plus 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on. Okay, you have to compute rho for corresponding values of rho. Similarly, you will do it for all other points. Okay, similarly you will do it for all other points. Rho is equal to, what is the next point given? 1 comma 4, then 3 comma 2, and so on. So you will write all the points here. All the lines, 1 cos theta plus 4 sin theta for the point 1 comma 4. Third point is 3 cos theta plus 2 sin theta for the point 3 comma 2. The next point given is 3 comma 3. So right here 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. Then last point is 5 comma 0. So we'll write here rho 5 cos theta plus 0 sin theta. Okay, and for all these lines, all these four lines, you have to vary theta from minus 90 degrees to plus 90 degrees and find out corresponding value of rho. Okay, and then you can plot rho versus theta. Okay, and what I told you, in this particular coordinate system we will not get line but we'll get sinusoids. So you can plot it, you can try doing it. Okay, suppose I'm getting this one, I'll get 5 sinusoids, right? There are 5 lines, 5 points here, so I'll get 5 sinusoids. So maybe I'm just giving you one example that I may get the points like this. Okay, and what we want to find out? The point of intersection of 5 points. So maybe this is your point of intersection, sorry. This is your point of intersection. So this is corresponding value, that is theta dash and rho dash. Okay, so when you solve this example, you will get rho dash equal to 3.4 and theta dash is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, you can try solving it. So once I got this rho dash and theta dash, okay, I have to plot this line in terms of x and y. Now what is x? What is the formula for x in terms of rho and cos theta? So this is x is equal to rho cos theta. You must have studied this in maths. And y is equal to rho sin theta. Rho and theta, you can find out x and y, and then plot the line. Okay, so you'll get a line something like this with 45 degrees. Okay, and rho is equal to 3.5 perpendicular to this, you get a line. Okay, so that's it for today.